ẹ̀yin tèmi actress Biola ó ti jáde wá o láti wá tọrọ àforíjìn lọ́wọ́ gbogbo àwọn èèyàn. Ó ní ṣe lòun rò wípé ní bí òun ṣe gbé Seun Egbegbe wá tí gbogbo àwọn èèyàn sì nífẹ̀ẹ́ rẹ̀ tí wọ́n sì dáríjìn. Kódà àwọn èèyàn míì gan wọ́n tó fún un ní ẹ̀bùn, àwọn tó fún un lówó wọ́n fún un lówó. Ó ní òun lòun rò tí òun fi gbé bàbá Ijesha wá. Ó ní òun ò mọ̀ wípé bí ó ṣe padà rí nìyí. Ó ní bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ wípé ṣe lòun rò wípé bàbá Ijesha yóò tọrọ àforíjìn lọ́wọ́ àwọn èèyàn, ṣùgbọ́n kàkà bẹ́ẹ̀ ọ̀tọ̀ ni nǹkan tí bàbá Ijesha èyí tí ó ṣe. Ó lóun ò mọ̀ wípé àwọn èèyàn ò nífẹ̀ẹ́ bàbá Ijesha. Ó ní ṣùgbọ́n òun ò ní àwíjàre kankan tóun fẹ́ sọ bí kò ṣe wípé kóun ó tọrọ àforíjìn lọ́wọ́ gbogbo àwọn èèyàn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ sì ni ó tọrọ àforíjìn lọ́wọ́ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó, bẹ́ẹ̀ ó sì ṣàdúrà fún un nípa fíìmù rẹ̀ The Return of Arinzo. Bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ wípé ọ̀rọ̀ tí Abiola sọ ó sì bí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn nínú. Wọ́n ní bó ló ṣe máa fi ọ̀rọ̀ Seun Egbegbe compare ti bàbá Ijesha. Wọ́n ní ṣé ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ kan náà ni àwọn méjèèjì ṣẹ̀ ní. Ẹ̀yin tèmi eléyìí mọ̀ gbẹnu tán. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tí Abiola èyí tó sọ nínú fídíò rẹ̀.
Hello everyone, good day to you all. This is an apology video to everyone that feels offended. I'm so sorry. I apologize. What happened is when Baba Ijesha just came back from prison, he told me he was back, and I asked him, do you want to do an interview to apologize or to clear the air so that you can continue your life? And he said no, that he wasn't ready. He has some things that he's doing now. And I said, okay. I didn't ask him again until he called me last week to tell me that, okay, now he's ready for an interview, that he wants to go to Chude's place, Kololawuyi, Oriyomi Amsat, Ayefele, that these people have been calling him, that but he has decided that he wanted to do it with me first. And I said, oh, thank you for the honor. No problem, sir. So I had the interview, and that was it. I thought I was just an interviewer. My role is to interview him, hear what he has to say. I thought he would apologize, but he did not do so. But it is not in my place to condemn him as an interviewer. The platform is for the good and the bad. It's for both saints and sinners. The platform is not for only the people that you like. It's for the people that you like and you do not like. I am a mother. I am a Christian. I am also a rape victim, that it took me a while before I got over it. I have said that in my interviews over and over again. Yes, it took me time. It took me a lot of prayers, a lot of confession to get over it. So I would never enable anybody. The interview was not to exonerate Baba Ijesha or to agree with whatever he was saying. Go and watch the video very well. There was a place he was telling me that Bibi, ongumilabere gon, oden dumio, ongumilabere, and I said, I'm sorry, sir. It is my job to ask you the right questions. I asked the right questions from him, which I thought that was the job of an interviewer. The interview was not to exonerate him or for him to come and claim innocence on my show, because it was a crime that he's been convicted of. And I asked it, go and see the video again. I had to pull it down because I felt that a lot of people were angry, and I know that where I have gotten to with the show today, it's because of the support of the masses. I would never go and support people that they don't like. I do not support him at all. I just felt that the platform is for everybody, and it's okay for him to also say his side of the story and apologize. But since he did not do so, it is not in my position to condemn or to judge him, because I know the masses will do that. I felt that he's been convicted. I brought Seun Egbegbe on the show when he came out from the prison, and people liked him. He got an encouragement from people. Some people even gave him gifts, and I thought that was what would happen with him. Do not forget that this man in question is also a senior colleague, and he was one of the people who encouraged me while coming up. So it is not in my position to embarrass him on the show. I just did my part as an interviewer. I didn't know that it will aggravate people's anger like that. But to everyone that feels offended, I am sorry. I do not agree with whatever he has done. I know the court has done their job. I thought he was going to apologize, and he did not. It is not in my place to insist what he would say. I am so sorry. I'm also learning from the job. I am not a saint. I'm not a perfect person. I have tried as much as possible to bring joy to people. And a lot of people are insinuating that the video is to tarnish Iyabo Ojo's image. Biola, I would never do that. If you know me, you know me very well, especially when it comes to my colleagues or anyone else. They have brought, a lot of people have come on the show and they have hyped Iyabo Ojo before, because she's like a sister to me. She's a colleague. She has come on the show before out of honor, out of respect for me. I would never do anything to bring her down. I intentionally didn't bother about that side, that part where he mentioned PlS's last name, because I felt he wasn't saying anything bad about them. If I felt that it was going to come out like that, trust me, I would have removed it. Immediately he mentioned Iyabo Ojo's name, please go and check my reaction, because I thought he was going to say anything bad about it, and I wasn't going to take that, because I could fight for the cause that she fought for as well. But please forgive me. I'm not here to justify anything. I am a very peaceful person. If you know me, you know that about me. And I don't like controversies. I have avoided controversies throughout my show. I will be mindful of the caption, even if it's caption that will call people to come and watch. As long as it's controversial, I don't want to use it. And I quoted him. That was what he said. It was not a propaganda to go against Iyabo Ojo's film. Our film is coming up. Arinzo will sell by the grace of God. It will do well. Since Iyabo Ojo, I love you, and you know it yourself. You know that I would naturally not do. I did not use you for anything. Your name was not called. I left it because I felt he wasn't saying the bad thing about you. It didn't occur to me the way that people are saying it now. But please also know that I am also learning. I don't know it all. I apologize to everyone that feels offended. I would never in my life, I would never be an accomplice to a pedophile or a rapist. I would never, not in this life or in the next life to come. I am a Christian. I am a mother. I protect the girl child. I protect children with the best of my ability. If you know the show very well, you will know that I have used it to fight for a lot of people, even when people are against me or against what I'm doing. So please, I apologize. Please forgive me. And see, Iyabo, I love you. I am sorry if you feel hurt. I am so sorry to all our fans, to everyone out there, to all mothers, all Nigerians, even in diaspora, that feels that I should not give him a platform. Please note that the platform is for the good and the bad. When Seun Egbegbe came, there was not so much controversies like this, maybe because he apologized. It is not in my position to put words into their mouth. And please remember, this person is also my senior colleague. There is little that I can do. I cannot make my guests uncomfortable, which I think I did to an extent. I have done that once or twice where people also criticize me that you don't do that to your guests. But please, in all of it, I acknowledge that he's somebody that people do not like, and I know that to whom much is given, much is expected. It's because it's my show. If it was another show, maybe the noise would not have been that much. But please forgive me. All that I have done, everything that God has used me to do on that show is by the help of the people, and I will never take them for granted. God bless you all. I hope I'm forgiving this. I'm on my knees and I'm saying I'm sorry. Ẹ má bínú sí mi. Mi ò mọ̀ ṣe tó, èmi náà ń gbọ́n ni, ọmọdé ni mí, and I do not claim sin to anybody. God bless you all. Thank you. I appreciate you. Bye.